18, this is Brian 890. I am here with Walter's existing 75,000 17-inch wide BTU unit. We'll be replacing his full system, but we're replacing it with a 14-inch wide 45,000 BTU unit and a 14-inch wide cased coil. So this return drop might be too big. I got the return drop information in the sold email, but I'll let you evaluate that as you see fit. We have a humidifier that we'll be removing. The customer has indicated that they're not interested in replacing. The access is a basement upflow. It's a little tight, but plenty of room to work. There shouldn't be any spatial concerns here at all. Hey, 90 out.